Hello all, welcome to this channel. Today we are going to learn how to use sum formula to do the totals. Okay, so here I made a sample data over here. Okay, whereby this is my item list, and these are three different columns with the values. Okay, now I wanted to do total here. T-O-T-A-L, total in this particular cells. Okay, now how to do the sum, the total of this uh, row value. So the basic, without using any formula, just entering equals, then this plus selecting each and every cell and adding it, plus 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 plus. You have seen this also can do totals, but the problem is it is time consuming, as well as it has more chances of getting errors. Okay, that is why we should avoid doing this, because as we are working in Excel is whereby you can use formulas. So let's do total sum with some formula. Okay, let's say in this particular cell I want a total of the above list. Just enter equals, type sum, bracket opens, then select the data. Okay, and bracket close and enter. This is another way, formula by sum you can do a total. Okay, then there is one more way. Instead of typing equals sum, then bracket open, then selecting the list and all those things, you have another short way. For example, just select this list, go to home, and check this sum option. Just click on it and it comes. Okay, there is another option. There is one more option. This is one of the this is one of the shortest way of doing totals. Okay, this is, if if not this, we just from our keyboard we enter alt plus equals, both keys together, and you will see automatically formula came, and we enter. That's it. Okay, now for example, I have multiple columns. This is one, right? So I have multiple columns. How to do sum for multiple columns at once? For example, let's say we can do in this way. Select this, select sum. Okay, then come to the total column, copy this, Control C, then select the other two, Control V, it automatically comes. Okay, now this is Control C, Control V. If not, the we will just select the whole data where you want totals, then sum. Just click on this sum option, you will see automatically. If not, just select the whole data. Okay, then alt plus enter, it comes. So it is very easy using sum formula in Excel sheet, and it is very basic formula whereby every data have totals, or uh, it's a very basic formula to use in Excel sheet. Thank you.